Hi, this is TJ with Mountain West Trailers. This is the Haulmark 28-foot ALX series trailer. All aluminum frame, fully insulated walls and ceiling. The trailer is equipped with the Blizzard package, which also includes a propane heater. You'll also find an aluminum step, RV door handle, and 6 recessed D-rings throughout the trailer. Single fuel door on the driver's side, drive over wheel wells, LED lighting throughout, plenty of storage and cabinet space for storing all your helmets and gear. Please find us at mountainwesttrailers.com. Thank you.